Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang transmission slipping issue and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Transmission slipping in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as delayed acceleration, engine revs increasing without a corresponding increase in speed, gears slipping during shifts, or hesitation when the transmission changes gears. Verified owner reports and service information show that transmission slipping concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on transmission type, mileage, maintenance history, and driving conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause involves low or degraded transmission fluid. Insufficient fluid level or fluid that is broken down over time can reduce hydraulic pressure, preventing proper clutch engagement and leading to slipping during acceleration or shifting. Another confirmed cause relates to worn internal clutch components. In automatic transmissions, worn clutch packs or bands can lose their ability to hold gears under load, resulting in noticeable slipping. In manual transmissions, worn clutch assemblies can produce similar symptoms, though the causes differ mechanically. Valve body or solenoid-related issues are also documented factors in automatic transmissions. Faulty or sticking solenoids can disrupt fluid flow and pressure regulation, causing inconsistent gear engagement or slipping between shifts. Transmission control module or adaptive behavior has also been reported. In some cases, software calibration or adaptive learning behavior can affect shift quality and engagement timing, especially after battery disconnection or repairs. Torque converter-related concerns are another verified consideration in automatic models. Internal wear or clutch issues within the torque converter can contribute to slipping sensations, particularly at lower speeds. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include transmission overheating, sensor signal irregularities, or normal operation under high load or aggressive driving. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking and correcting transmission fluid level and condition, scanning for transmission-related fault codes, performing adaptive relearn procedures, updating software when applicable, and inspecting internal transmission components when slipping is confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that some Ford Mustang transmission slipping issues are resolved through fluid service or software updates, while others require internal transmission or clutch repairs. Experiences vary by model year, transmission type, and driving usage. In conclusion, Ford Mustang transmission slipping is typically linked to fluid-related issues, internal wear, hydraulic control problems, or transmission control behavior. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.